Are you looking for the best super glue in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best super glue that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Gorilla Glue is one of the best loved glues on the market. They make a whole range of glues, but their super glue is probably the most versatile. It can be used on everything from plastic to metal and stone. Because of that, it's one of the best products to have on hand. When you need to quickly create a bond, you don't want to have to search through the cupboard for a specific type of glue. Because it's Gorilla Glue, it has unique rubber particles that increase the strength of the bond and makes it more resistant to impacts. We love the bottle that this glue comes in. It has an anti-clog cap that stops the glue from drying out. This is a big problem with cheap super glues, so it's a useful feature. It's also easy to control, thanks to the fact that it's a gel-based glue that doesn't run. Our only small complaint is the size of the bottle. It's only 0.71 ounces, so it's not suited for big jobs. For more high-quality products like this, check out our guide to the best glue guns. Up next in the 4th place is the Loctite Ultra Gel Control Super Glue. For a wide range of household operations, the Loctite Ultra Gel Control Super Glue is one that comes highly recommended. It has quite a thick consistency, which makes it perfect for application on both vertical and horizontal surfaces. What's more, it takes the hassle out of clamping items together or holding pieces together for long time periods until the gel sets. And this particular pack comes with 6 extra bonding glue containers ready to serve long-term purposes. Additionally, the design on each container is quite unique from what you would see with regular glue brands, and there are dual wing-like sides incorporated into the design to reduce the risk of spilling during use. These sides just need to be pressed on a little, and the appropriate amount of glue would come out to reduce wasting. This ensures that only the amount required for each task is used, leaving plenty behind for reuse later. In addition, the self-piercing, screw-on cap opens up the pinpoint nozzle, allowing the gel to flow out. With a cap like this, the glue gel is kept fresh and reusable for longer, as long as the cap is screwed on tightly. On top of this, the screw actively keeps the nozzle clog-free, making it easy for the gel to flow out each time with no hassle. However, it's best to store the glue in a fairly cool and dry location, placed preferably on its bottom. Overall, this is a great glue that is tough enough to bond materials from rubber to cork, wood, metal, leather, fabric, and hard plastics, but still suitable for softer and lighter materials like paper and cardboard. Just be careful not to stick your skin together. You may also like some of the best glue sticks from our list, so check them out. The 3rd product on our list is the Gorilla Super Glue Clear. This incredibly strong super glue gel comes in a neat 2-pack set for those small jobs that need immediate attention around the house. A 3-gram container may seem a little too small, but with the effectiveness this little guy promises, you'd be surprised how a small quantity would get the job done suitably. Plus, there's not just one tube of glue, but 2 available for emergency repairs around the house. And once the glue is applied to a surface, it takes about 10-45 seconds to dry clear and set. This means there'd be no need for additional clamping like the case is with less effective glue types. What's more, it prevents unnecessary messes or sloppiness when trying to glue materials together. For sure, a neat and most professional finish is guaranteed with this fast-acting formula with a little secret ingredient. Furthermore, the glue includes little rubber particles that make it extremely hard for glued surfaces to come apart. Regardless of the amount of pressure, impact, or change in temperature, the surfaces would stay rock solid for a long period of time. And there's no need to run to the repair shop every time something has come apart. You can be your own DIY guru with this reliable Gorilla 2 3-gram tube super glue, especially for those small indoor projects. like a broken teacup, piece of furniture, or the likes. These 2 cute little tube bottles will greatly suffice. Overall, this super glue bonds materials from wood, plastic, ceramics, leather, metal, rubber to paper, and to ensure the contents keep the desired liquid, gel-like consistency. The self-piercing anti-clog cap keeps the contents from drying out. So until the last drop, the glue should stay reliable, delivering job after job of Gorilla Tough bonded materials, guaranteeing high strength and a quick set time. The Gorilla Gel is definitely a force to reckon with when it comes to top-notch performance. Here are also some of the top PVA glues on the market, so take a moment to check them out. Second on our list is the Krazy Glue Home and Office Brush on Super Glue. Whether you are in the comfort of home or in a serious, busy workplace, this Krazy Good Glue will act as an instant suffice for broken items that need repair. The Krazy Glue Home and Office Brush on Super Glue with Brush Applicator is an extra effective glue used for a wide range of jobs. It bonds materials like metal, plastic, vinyl, wood, ceramic, and much more. Another great thing about this glue is not just its ability to set fast, but also how effective it is. It sticks rock hard, being able to withstand change of temperature, impact, vibration, or shock. And depending on the material, it could take seconds to get 2 surfaces tightly stuck together. No doubt, T's one fast-acting gel formula that comes with the capacity to deliver neat and non-messy work every time. What's even better is the assurance the container gives, as there will be no accidents of gluing your hands together. Simply use the brush applicator to dab some glue and apply it to the desired surface. This way, it's easier to get the glue across the whole surface before placing the other piece on. An even greater advantage is the fact that the brush would reach the nooks and crannies a nozzle wouldn't efficiently reach. But don't worry about the brush applicator getting stuck in the bottle. The non-clog bottle keeps the contents fresh and the brush ready for everyday use. So, stay unperturbed when materials get broken or detached. This Krazy Super Glue readily provides instant solutions to such situations. Finally, the top product on our list is the Loctite Liquid Professional Super Glue. Loctite is one of the other big names in super glue. It's around the same price as Gorilla Super Glue, and there isn't much between them in performance. For most applications, we think you'd be happy with either of these products. It also comes in a small 20g bottle, which shows that it's designed for small applications. This product also has an innovative bottle top. It has a self-piercing pin that sits inside the end of the bottle to stop the glue from drying up. We have read a few reviews complaining that the glue dries up too quickly. But if you keep it upright and replace the cap immediately, you shouldn't have this problem. This glue is water resistant and can take an impact, which makes it hard to pick between this and the Gorilla Glue. For any job that needs a touch of precision, both of these glues will work perfectly. If you are looking for the right wood glue, be sure to check out our selection of the best ones on the market. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.